NextGen offers a flexible schedule for both students and parents. Aside from affordable tuition fee, easy-to-use platform that lets students learn anytime, anywhere, and globally as well.
Hi everyone, I'm Mommy Cheng.
Hi everyone, I'm Daddy Ryan.
Hi everyone, I'm Kali Stacy Villanar, your gifted youngest mathematician of the Philippines and international.
You can call me Summer.
Why did you choose home learning and not traditional learning?
As a work-from-home dad, we don't have to follow the traditional schools, bells and whistles, like waking up in the morning, traveling to school, commuting. So we just go to the computer, turn it on, and there, you can have your own class.
In short, it's very practical for us as a parents. And as he said, he is a working dad, and also me as a business owner of our printing shop. We are too busy to attend our daughter's commitment or events in the school. It's a big help. NextGen is a big help for us because of its own platform.
How does learning from home with NextGen compare to your past school experience?
Learning from home with NextGen has been a different experience from my previous school. I really appreciate the flexibility because it allows me to learn at my own pace because of its own platform and take breaks when I needed to. It helps me stay focused and manage my time better. And of course, an affordable tuition fee. What means the most to me is the support I get from everyone. To the owners, COO, admins, principal, head teachers, and to all NextGen teachers. They're always there, not just for school-related questions, but also with real encouragement and advices, especially during my international competitions. Their words feel genuine and they have helped me believe in myself more. Learning from home takes a lot of self-discipline, but with their support and the personalized approach NextGen offers, I feel like I'm growing, not just as a student, but as a person as well.
As a parent, how has NextGen home learning made education easier and more manageable for you and your child?
NextGen have a platform that have all the lessons that our child needs. So in traditional schools, you need books, different materials, but in NextGen, you just have to log into their platform and all the lessons are already there, and you can answer right in their platform and submit your answers.
Sa katulad ng anak namin na mahilig sumali sa mga paligsahan, like nitong international competition, napakalaking tulong ni NextGen for us, lalo na sa anak ko, dahil kahit magkaroon siya ng mga trainings, nababalikan niya yung mga lessons na hindi niya kailangan mag-worried saan siya kukuha ng mga materials, saan siya pupunta or magre-research, something na makaka-cope up pa rin siya sa bawat subjects niya. Isa yun sa napaka-importante. Yung mga sinasalihan ng anak ko, medyo mabibigat. So, parang nagkaroon siya ng balance.
Have you noticed any improvements in your child's learning, confidence, or time management since joining NextGen?
Napansin ko, malaki yung pagbabago niya pagdating sa socialization. Kasi ang anak ko is ambivert. Minsan nakikihalubilo siya, minsan hindi. Pero usually, nakikihalubilo siya sa mga kasing edad namin. Na pagdating dito kay NextGen, natuto siyang makihalubilo sa kapwa niya bata. Yun yung isang factor na nilook forward namin kung bakit nandito pa rin kami kay NextGen.
She can already review what the lesson is, so she can manage her time as well. Then for the assignments or homework, she can do it immediately after class, because she can submit the work on the platform itself. So it's a big advantage.
What's your favorite part about studying at NextGen Home Learning?
My favorite part is, what I love most rather are the face-to-face events like Teacher's Day, Gala Night, Family Day, and many more. These moments give me a chance to bond with my teachers, classmates, and especially my parents. Since my parents are often busy with work and business, Family Day becomes a special time for us to bond, laugh, and just enjoy being together. It also allows me to see my teachers and classmates outside of the screen, which makes our connection feel more real and personal. These face-to-face activities give me something to look forward to every year. They inspire me, lift my spirits, and remind me that learning isn't just about schoolwork, it's also about building relationships and making memories with the people around me.
What would you say to other parents considering next-gen home learning for their kids?
So if you're a parent who's looking for a school, you want a special education in your special cases, like in our daughter, she's a mathematician, different curricular activities. Next Gen will be a good advantage for you to choose.
At the same time, pag busy kang parents, Next Gen is a big help. Dahil meron silang mga tinatawag na review week, which is 1 week din yun, nakakapagpahingang bata, na nakakabuti sa kanilang mental health, at the same time sa magulang, nakakabawas ng pressure. At the same time, napakaganda ng kanilang platform dahil kahit saan ka pumunta, kahit isama mo yung anak mo other country or ano man yung ginagawa niya, kahit nagko-contest siya, nakakasabay pa rin siya sa mga activities, sa mga worksheets niya, sa assignments, sa exam, dahil sa pagkakaroon ng sariling platform, at the same time, very affordable tuition fee.
And as I may say, I know this is a parent's question, but I just want to share to all the people watching this interview that example you have like an event and you cannot join the class, you can actually go excuse. All you need to do is just answer your homework.
Would you recommend next-gen home learning to other families? Why?
Yes, definitely. Kasi bukod sa murang tuition fee, pinaka-nagustuhan talaga namin is yung pagkakaroon ng flexible schedule. Like, sa katulad naming busy parents, malaking tulong ito para sa amin dahil nagiging independent ang anak namin, natututo siyang ng sarili niya, kumilos, na hindi siya kailangan ma-pressure kasi may mga schedule ang bawat subjects niya. At the same time, kahit may mga contest ang anak ko, nakaka-cope pa rin siya, nakakasabay pa rin siya sa mga aralin nila dahil sa platform. At the same time, pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito yung meron silang parang tulong sa mga mag-aaral para hindi ma-burn out. Like pag may exam, napakalaking tulong na meron silang 1 week review na ibinibigay, which is parang nagbakasyon na rin sila habang nag-aaral, nagbabakasyon. Malaking bagay yon, malaking impact yun sa mental health ng isang mag-aaral.
Yes, I would recommend Next Gen to the other families. First, because of their platform. Second, flexible schedules. And as a working dad, you can guide your daughter or your son whenever they have a lesson that's difficult, because you can see the lessons online in any device. And yeah, it's affordable.
Maraming salamat sa Next Gen. Masaya kami na naging part kami ng Next Gen.
Thank you, Next Gen, for creating an education affordable and accessible for everyone. Sana maging maunlad pa ang Next Gen.
More power.
More power. Salamat.
More power and God bless to you all.